I'll Fix It here, and I got some speakers on an online auction thing that I think are going to fit my Chevy Express van in the front doors. Stay with me and I'll show you how I would do that. Alright, the first thing to do is to clean out all these things. Like me, these things collect all kinds of junk. Just get them cleaned out so that, because you're going to take this panel off of here. First thing you need is some tools. You want to get the right tools. Oh, these are not the right tools. You're right. Use those plastic things that is made to pry door parts off of. Don't use the junk that I use. First thing I'm going to do is take this thing off of here. Oh, look at that. It comes off real easy. It's probably broken or something. Anyway, there's the first thing. Take that off. Behind this is another little panel thing to take off. Hey, look at that. It comes real easy. I just pick it out of there with my fingers. Wow. Well, that's convenient. And behind here, yeah, there's a screw right here. Now also, this thing's gonna come off and it separates right there. So yeah, right here is a separation and this part in here stays, this part comes off. We're gonna work that off with the appropriate tools, or rather the inappropriate tools. See if I break it. Let's see, come on now. Wow, did I break anything? Oh, wow, I don't think I even broke anything. Hey, pretty amazing. Now, see there's screws inside of here. This is the right screw, right here. And then there's one up here also. Yeah, don't take the other ones off. Only these two. Yeah, the other one is this one right here. Those two screws are the same, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. Underneath here, I think we better take these two screws off. There's one up at the top. And there's one down in the front and the bottom. We're going to pop this whole panel. We're going to do some popping here, hoping this works. Oh, there's a pop. All right. There's a pop. Hopefully we're doing the right thing. Yeah, look at that. The whole bottom is loose. To make sure I didn't miss any screws here. It looks like I got it all, so we just keep popping in. Okay, I think we got one more pop back here somewhere. Yeah. Okay, now once we get this off of here, there's going to be some wires connected. Lift it up a little bit, I think. Okay. Now, can you see in there? Yeah, we got some wires. Now, we got some wires in here. Oh, there's a speaker down here, by the way. See right down, right here, I'm tapping on the speaker. Now, we could leave these attached and just hang this door kind of off to the side, but I don't know, let's see how hard it is to take this off. This looks easier to unplug this. Yep, unplug there, unplug there. This one here's the one I'm concerned with now. And let me save you a whole lot of trouble on this thing. Yeah, you can unplug back in here, but it's not easy. And you know, there's a little blue thing on here, and I got that off, and the plug still wouldn't come out. Don't do that. Don't even bother to mess with all that, because what you want to do to make it easier is to come in here with your knife or screwdriver. Oh no, wait, with the appropriate plastic tool. And you see the little clip right there that you push in and pop this up. Now you can get to all this so much easier. In fact, we'll just get a hold of these two little flaps and pull and take that old thing off of there just like that. We got the dumb door panel off of here. Is it screws? No, there's no screw. I mean, there's screws, but they're little bolts. Got the right little socket thingy to go on here. Now I can take these off. Oh, we better unplug it, huh? Let's see, there's a little plug in here. How does this one work? Squeeze, push, I don't know. There's always some trick to these things. Looks like you push down on this thing and then pull it out. Push this down. Probably gonna poke myself with that knife, so I better use something else. There, I got it. Okay, now take these off. There, look at that, we got the speaker. It's an old paper thing and it vibrates and makes all kinds of racket. Pieces of glass down here. Sure that don't help anything. Let's go compare to the new speaker and see what we got. Here, there's the old one. Here's the new one. Are we about the same size? Oh man, that is the right size. Look at that. Oh, I like it. Yeah, I'll bet this is gonna screw right into place, right in that hole. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. But as far as the plug-in goes, looks to me like we're gonna need to take the plug-in off the old speaker, wire it on, solder it or whatever onto the new speaker. What we gotta do is take something like this, just melt the solder a little bit right there, take this little pigtail off of here and put it on the new speaker. See, I soldered on the old pigtail onto the new speaker. And by the way, this is a positive and that's a negative, and I think it was backwards before, which might be part of the reason it didn't sound too good, besides the fact that the paper was bad or whatever. Anyways, we got this one soldered correctly. This is positive, that's negative. At least that's what I think. I soldered them onto the new, and I was able to just plug it right in. That feels so good. Now let's see if we can mount this in here. I see a little slot here for the wire. All right, let's get this on here. And yeah, it looks like the screw holes are gonna line up right there. Okay, that's in there nice and solid now. We'll plug it in. Okay, we're in business. Well, the question is, of course, will the panel have enough room for that? I'm going to gamble that there is enough room, and it's going to work just fine. Time to put this back on. First of all, this blue thing I took off of here doesn't need to come off of here, come to find out. Okay, I put the blue thing back in there. The door lock thingy. Remember now, this thing goes in here. How does this work here? Oh, like that. Okay, and then you tuck it in the front first, and then snap the back down, just like that. Wow. Easy. Okay, next we got these two white ones here. Does it matter which one? I hope it only goes one way or something. Now, the reverse of what we did before is to hook the top on, and then start popping these things. All right, there's the hook, hooked on, and then one of these pop in. Oh, I see. One's there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just like that, piece of cake. Okay, the smaller screws go in these little spots right here. We got the two little screws in there. Now we got the big screws, one's over here. Yipper, right here's one. Well, you got this thing that goes up here. Oh, and you got this little thing right here. And then we got this piece right here. There it is. And then it's done. And look, there's room. It fits in there just fine.
An attempted strike by Iran. I'm Lisa Lacera, Fox News. A senior U.S. defense official tells Fox.
It works. I'll fix it here and it works. We got a speaker in this door. We did it. Now, I'm gonna get started on the other door while you guys get started on your project. This is Al Fix It. Adios. Thumbs up, guys. Come on. See ya. Ciao.